Are ants invading your kitchen, pantry, or backyard? Don't grab that toxic spray just yet. In this video, I'll show you how to kill ants naturally using a powerful, chemical-free method you can make with ingredients you already have at home. It's cheap, safe, and works fast, even on stubborn ant colonies. Stick around till the end for a bonus tip to keep ants away for good. This natural ant killer works by tricking ants into taking poison back to their colony. Here's what you'll need: white sugar, baking soda, a small container like a bottle cap or shallow lid, optional, a few drops of peppermint oil. Ants hate it. That's it. No chemicals, no sprays, and no damage to your pets or food. Here's the science. Ants love sugar. Baking soda reacts with their stomach acid and kills them from the inside. They carry the mixture back to the queen, and the colony collapses from the inside out, all without you lifting a can of Raid. Step 1. Mix equal parts sugar and baking soda. I like to use 1 tablespoon of each. Step 2. Stir until fully blended. Step 3. Place the mixture in small bottle caps or shallow dishes. Step 4. Set these bait stations where you see ant activity, near windows, under sinks, behind appliances, or on patios. Make sure pets and kids can't reach the traps. Even though it's safe, you don't want anyone tasting your ant poison by accident. Once the ants find your bait, they'll swarm it, and that's exactly what you want. In the next 24 to 72 hours, you'll notice fewer ants. The trail disappears. Then, no more ants. This method kills the queen, so the colony doesn't just relocate, it's gone. Want to keep ants away for good? Mix a few drops of peppermint essential oil with water in a spray bottle. Spray it along door frames, windowsills, and entry points. Ants hate peppermint. It messes with their scent trails and drives them out. If this helped you get rid of ants without chemicals, drop a comment below and let me know. Hit like, tap subscribe, and share this with a friend battling ants. This is the How To Hub, where we fix life's little problems, one simple trick at a time.